Did you know your phone has a hidden switch that can actually push it to full speed? Most people don't even know this exists, but it's built right into your settings. Let me show you how to turn it on. First, open the main Settings app on your phone. Now scroll all the way down until you see About Phone and tap on it. Then scroll down again and find Software Information. Open that and look for Build Number. Tap on it several times until you see a message at the bottom saying Developer Mode has been activated. Once that's done, go back to the main Settings menu. Scroll down again, and you'll notice a new section called Developer Options. You'll see a long list of powerful system settings. Scroll gently until you find System Tracing. Open it up. Now, inside here, we're going to tweak two things. First, turn off Trace Debuggable Applications. This prevents background tracking that slows your phone down. Next, tap on Per CPU Buffer Size and select the first option. This one helps free up system memory and keeps your phone running smoother.